What's up, guys? We are heading over to a place in Russel Springs, Kentucky called Steakhouse. This is somewhere that we have never been before, but it has got a lot of great reviews and things like that, and there's been folks that I've talked to that have been over there that really like it. So even though it is a steakhouse, one of the things that they are known for is their catfish. And I'm not real sure yet if I want to try the catfish or if I'm going to go ahead and get a steak, but we'll see when we get there, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So here we go. Okay guys, we are here. We're going to go in and check them out. Okay guys, here's the menu here. We've got various dinners. You can see the prices are pretty affordable. And they've got a little of everything, but I do believe that I'm going to go with the catfish. Along with, I'm not real sure about the sides yet, but I think that's what we're going to go for, is catfish. They got a cross in there. Hey guys, that was Cole's over here in Russel Springs. Good food, really good food. Even though they call it a steakhouse, I got to eat catfish and it was well worth it. But now we're heading out to do something else. So guys, check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have ate here before, and if you have tried their catfish. So, but great meal, great times. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.